Hello, everybody. And again, a special hello to Valerie and Bailey and Olive and Athena and Hendrix. Today we're going to look at what happens when light hits certain kinds of objects. Now, there are three things that can happen to light when they hit something. They can reflect, so you can see them, or they can be absorbed, so the object looks black. Now, this must be reflecting some of the light that hits it because you can see it. But if all the light that hits something is absorbed, it disappears. That's why you should wear light-colored clothing when you go outside after dark, so that drivers can see you, so that your clothing reflects light. And the other thing that can happen to light is it can pass right through things. That's called transmitting the light. So that, for example, these pieces of plastic are clear. We say colorless. And then when light hits them, it passes all the way through. So if I shine the light through here, it looks the same as it does without these. Okay. Now, let's go back and look at some other objects that allow light to pass through. That's called being transparent. Now, if the transparent objects have color to them, then the color of the light not only bounces off the objects, but look here. Passes straight through, and the light that hits the paper, yeah, you see, looks yellow. Or blue. Or red. Or green. Or purple. That's how they make traffic signals, railroad signals, and other things that light up with colors. They're transparent, but they filter out all but one or two colors of light, and the light that passes through them is the same color as the color that they look at when you see them. The other thing that can happen is that light can bounce off an object, and if it's an object that isn't perfectly smooth, now this paper looks smooth, but it isn't perfectly smooth, so the light that comes back, some of it gets scattered, okay, in all directions. Same with the table here, the light gets scattered. But I shine this light on something that's perfectly smooth, look what happens to the light. See that? It shines right back, okay? That's called reflecting light. The light hits and it bounces off. Now if it hits straight in like this, it goes straight back like that. But what if it hits at an angle? Well, let's see. Look up at the ceiling. You see the light up here? That's the light that hit this mirror at an angle.
That's better.
And bounce back off again at the same angle in the opposite direction. Now I can use the mirror to show you some other things too. If I hold the mirror here, that's Granny. Now watch what happens when I turn the mirror. Now what do you see? I can't see, but you can. Could we be looking out the front window by any chance? Are you back to looking at Granny? Okay. Now let's look over here. Do you see something that's on the wall over on the other side of the room? Okay. What about the ceiling? Do you see the ceiling? Or the table down here? When light hits an object that's smooth like this, it bounces off, and it's called reflection. And whatever angle the light hits the mirror, it bounces off at the same angle in the opposite direction. If it goes straight in, it comes straight back. And those are some of the things that happen to light when they hit objects. Either passing through it, being transmitted, or bouncing off it, it's called being reflected, or soaking right into the object, that's called being absorbed. Well, I hope you enjoyed some of the things that we did with mirrors and lenses and colors. Until next time, bye-bye.